What is fiat transaction? Fiat transaction is trading legal currencies issued by governments into blockchain assets. In general, the type of blockchain assets available for legal currencies are limited, which mainly trade for valuable cryptos such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether USD with strong liquidity. Users can trade fiat transactions directly with other users. OFEX guarantees the transactions are fair and valid. What are the features of fiat transactions? Fiat transaction links the value swap between blockchain assets and legal currency, which is mainly used as a way for initial investment and further investment. After trading fiat transactions, investors normally trade crypto to crypto for the follow-on investment. How to trade fiat transactions? Let's take buying Bitcoin with US dollars as an example. First of all, log into OFEX Digital Asset Exchange and click on Fiat, and choose the trading pair of Bitcoin and Tether USD. The price of trading pair indicates how many Tether USD can trade for one Bitcoin. Secondly, buyers could choose instant buy with market price, or choose sellers in the ads area by entering the amount of Bitcoin or the total Tether USD. Lastly, OFEX keeps the Bitcoin deal in custody. In other words, buyers could pay dollars to the account provided by the sellers, and sellers will notify OFEX after confirming the receipt of the transfer. Bitcoin will be released to the account of buyer after deducting the fee by our system automatically. If any disputes occur between the two parties, OFEX will arbitrate the evidence submitted by two parties. Fees of most digital asset exchanges are 0.2%, which means 0.002 Bitcoin is deducted by trading one Bitcoin. In order to minimize the trading cost for users, OFEX reduced half of the transaction fee to 0.1%. Currently, we are offering an ultimate promotion with zero fee. Start trading with this ongoing promotion now